Hi guys, this is Jabeen, and today I am going to talk about a website I came across last week, which is called Mr Mahir. It is online service, and the second is the amazing pool of handyman, or you can say technical experts they have on board. I needed to clean my water tank, needed some resources, and all I did was just Google it, and they were there. I called them and inquired about some services and their prices and stuff and their availability, and they were happy to help. And I gave them a time in a day, and they were there on time, and they committed a timeline, and they actually did it on time, which is the best thing, because usually what happens is people commit something and they don't work on it, and you lose a lot of time. I would recommend all of you to go check this website and do try them for any services around the home, and they will do their best, I would say.